Hi, good morning everyone. This is Gabriel from Mingyuan Automation industry, and we are a factory that have more than 30 years experience of pneumatic components, and we can do both OEM and ODM, and we have a timely delivery, best quality control, and also a professional after-sales service for 1 year warranty. Today I'm going to show you this RSP series two-way solenoid valve. And this one, the valve body is made of 316 stainless steel, and we can also make like 304 stainless steel. And you can see the top, there is a electrical on the top, and it can also change to another like ES low temperature coil. And for the sealing material, we have like VITON, NBR, and also PTFE. And we have a different port size for this valve, like covering from 3/8 inch to 2 inches. If you want to have more details about this product and want to ask some questions, please follow the WhatsApp number below and follow Mingyuan Automation.